Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So just picking up on gold from last week, just a little bit stagnant at the moment, consolidating into what is a slight triangle. We've had these higher lows at the moment and lower highs. We're just waiting to see if we're going to have any form of signal this week. Obviously, we've got FOMC minutes on Wednesday, the non-farm payroll data at the end of the week, so this could actually have quite a big bearing on the movement of gold and the dollar as well. What's most important at the moment, if we just, this is on the 4-hour chart, just go back on the weekly chart at the moment, because we've just been monitoring gold for longer term movement, and at the moment we're just waiting for a potential another push to the upside. So what we're looking at the moment, we've had this first record peak, then we had another record peak. Don't forget this is on the weekly chart. We are expecting now another record peak to the upside, potentially towards 2,500, 2,600, something like that. So we're not really done with the bullish sentiment yet. We're just, as you can see here, we've had some really firm support in the last few weeks, and we're not really having too much of a confirmation below 2,300, which is quite significant because it does mean that the bullish bias is still intact, and we could have more of a run to the upside in the not the near term, but probably the medium term at least. So is this going to have, and are we going to see this? It's what a lot of economists and traders have been talking to me about. I believe we are having another slight run up to this particular area. It could take obviously a few more weeks, but if you're looking at the longer term objective of gold, we're just seeing now more of a pattern emerging that we will have such a strong bullish confluence here, and then we're having this sideways action, but record high after record high. So we're just waiting to see if that's going to have another move to the upside. So just keep an eye on that. I will be doing that, that's for sure, in the next few weeks as well, as we get into the second half of the year. Obviously the second quarter has gone. We're going to have all the earnings reports as well, which could have an effect on not only gold but the US indices as well as the stocks, so something to keep an eye out for as well. But intraday, we're just seeing now another signal if we're going to break this bottom or top, but this is the heavy support line here that we're monitoring for the last few weeks now. We were looking at 2,300 as well. Just mark that out for you here. 2,300 is here. We did have a couple of tests, not too much of a confirmation really, if you think we just had a few candlesticks below that before another jump to the upside. And as you can see here, a bounce off that particular support and another bounce here. So we are expecting more of a move to the upside as well, but just keep an eye on that. RSI not really looking or not giving us many signals at the moment, so something just to keep an eye out for as well. On the dollar index, we're just seeing now a slight creep to the upside. We're in this nice bullish channel here from quite a while ago, actually from the beginning of last month. And as you can see here, it's really hitting these tops and bottoms. Most of the price action is in this channel. As you can see here, 95% or so is in this channel. So we're just waiting to see if we're going to have more of an upside. We've broken 105, touched 106, but didn't really have too much of a confirmation above 106. So if we just point that out again, as you can see here, very firm resistance happening. If we do get another move to the upside and another break, we will be looking to see if we're going to reach this top end of the channel towards the mid 106 area, but that's obviously another $1.50 away, so we'll wait and see if that does happen. But obviously let me know what you're trading on. We'll post this video on our YouTube and Telegram channel as usual, so feel free to like, subscribe and leave a comment, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So have a great trading day ahead, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.